Okay, for all the BMW F700GS owners out there who want a really fast video of how to access the battery on this bike, they don't want to watch a whole 9-minute video like I had to. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all T25 Torx, which is going to look something like this. Is that going to focus? No, not really. Look it up. You can figure it out. Looks like it fits in there. So you take off those 4, then it still won't come up. This is going to be blocking it because there's one screw kind of right here, another one on the opposite side. So you 1, 2, and then these 4. This comes off, battery runs this way right across here. Easy access to your positive negative terminal. And I don't know if yours is going to come with this, but some of them, depends on the dealer maybe, seem to come with a little hookup for a battery tender pigtail right there. Maybe check that side if yours doesn't have it. Maybe you have it, maybe you don't. At any rate, it's 6 screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. They're all T25 Torxes. You can get to the battery in about 1 minute, or about how long this video took. That's it. Ride safe. If you like the video, please give me a like button. Thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Das fancy.